Well, today we are going to solve the question packaging cupcakes. So, let's solve this question in three simple steps. So, in this step 1, we are going to understand the question by reading it clearly, carefully, and completely. So, let's get started. So, the question is, now that chef has finished baking and frosting his cupcakes, it's time to package them. Chef has n cupcakes and needs to decide how many cupcakes to place in each package. Each package must contain the same number of cupcakes. Chef will choose an integer a between 1 and n inclusive and place exactly a cupcakes into each package. Chef makes as many packages as possible. Okay. The number of cupcakes in each package should be same. So chef should pack equal number of cupcakes in each package, and he can choose as many packages as possible. It depends on the number of cupcakes. For example, here chef will choose an integer a between 1 and n inclusive and place exactly a cupcakes into each package. Chef makes as many packages as possible. Chef then gets to eat the remaining cupcakes. Chef enjoys eating cupcakes very much. Help chef choose the package size A that will let him eat as many cupcakes as possible. Okay. As in the question, chef loves to eat cupcakes. So obviously he wanna pack less number of cupcakes and eat more number of cupcakes. So in favor to him, we need to write the code in such a way that chef should pack equal number of cupcakes in each package, and even he should get more number of cupcakes to eat. So this is what we are going to do, but you can understand it clearly while reading an example and understanding the logic behind it. Let's read input and output. When comes to input, input begins with an integer t, the number of test cases. Each test case consists of a single integer n, that is number of cupcakes. Okay. The user will gives the input first, and in the first line the input will be an integer t, where integer t is nothing but a test case, and in each test case line there will be an integer n, which is nothing but the number of cupcakes. Okay, this is all about input. What is output then? For each test case, output the package size that will maximize the number of leftover cupcakes. Okay, you need to display the maximum number of cupcakes that chef can eat after packing them. If multiple package sizes will result in the same number of leftover cupcakes, print the largest such size. Okay, you can understand it clearly by reading an example. When it comes to constraints, t ranges from 1 to 1000 and n ranges from 2 to 10 power 8. Okay. When it comes to example, no, it's yes, it is example. In sample input, the first line is test case line. So he have given the value of test case is 2. So we are able to take two inputs from user. So the first input is 2 and second input is 5. When it comes to sample output, for the first input 2, the output is 2. And the second input 5, the output is 3. Explanation. I hope this is a bit confusing. So let's read the explanation. In the first test case, there will be no leftover cupcakes regardless of the size chef chooses. So he chooses the largest possible size. In the second test case, there will be two leftover cupcakes. Okay. When it comes to first input 2, if you are a chef, what will be the optimal answer? Just think. You can understand it clearly. For example, if the value of n is 2, you need to divide those two cupcakes equally and pack them. But if you do like that, there will be 0 cupcakes left for you to eat. So instead of packing them, you will eat them. What if n value is 3? You either pack 3 cupcakes equally in 3 packs, or you should pack 1 cupcake and eat 2 of them. Which is optimal for you as a chef? Second one, right? So in this way you will eat maximum number of cupcakes. So the logic would be n floor division by 2 plus 1. That is, if n value is 2, the maximum cupcakes will be 2. If n value is 3, the maximum cupcakes will be 2 because you will pack one cupcake and you will eat 2. When n value is 5, the maximum cupcakes will be 3 because you will pack 2 cupcakes and you will eat 3 because you love cupcakes and you want to eat more, so you will pack less and eat more. If you have n cupcakes, you will pack half of it and you will eat half plus 1 of it, which will get you the optimal number of cupcakes. Now, let us write code for it. So click on submit button and choose the language which is of your favorite. My favorite is Python 3.6, so I'm going to write code in this language. So in the first time, test case will be the input. So test case equal to end of input. For each test case line, the instruction would be for I in range of test case. Take n as input, so n is equal to end of input. For each test case line, you are going to take n as input, where n is nothing but the number of cupcakes. So n is equal to end of input. Now take a variable called max cupcakes and apply the logic that we have discussed before. So max cupcakes equal to n floor division 2 plus 1. Now print max cupcakes. Check using custom input. If everything is perfect, click on submit button and submit your code. So if you have any kind of errors, let me know in the comment box or mail me to my official mail girlcoderimpressive@gmail.com. I will always love to solve errors and let me help you in solving them. Then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.